So we've been waiting to see what direction XRP is going to take. Are we going to chop for a little bit longer? Are we going to continue this movement to the upside? Right now, we are in fact seeing a little bit of a push, a little bit of an attempt at a breakout here. And there is a specific reason why. In fact, there's an article that I found talking about this uptrend likely to continue because whales are retreating from exchanges. Now, this is very important. And what this specifically is referring to is that whales have significantly slowed down what they're sending to exchanges. For those that aren't familiar, exchanges have the highest liquidity. It's where most transactions are done. And frankly, when people are pulling capital off of exchanges, they're not transacting. They're putting stuff into cold storage. When they're flowing to exchanges, it's typically with the intent to be sold. You guys can see that we have hit some pretty low moments. In fact, we are even experiencing lower highs as time has moved on from July 30th. Now, not only is this taking place, but when we look at what this actual supply on exchanges is doing, the exchange reserves, that is doing a similar trend. We're actually seeing a drop in the supply of XRP that's out and available in the market. In fact, it's been about 100 million XRP that's been removed since July 30th. So what this means is that there is less available in the market as price gets moving. And again, remember right now, price is in fact getting moving. We're approaching some pretty critical resistance levels here. Now, I think what is helping with this as well is the fact that the SEC has been silent. There hasn't been any hint at an appeal or anything like that. They're kind of biding their time right now. And for those that aren't familiar, you do have, I believe it's 45 days to actually submit an appeal. So we're starting to get a little bit closer to that time frame. I'm trying to remember what the date would be, but it's sometime in September that they have until they need to file an appeal if they're going to. At this point, if they're taking this long, some of their appeals have usually come pretty quickly. It wouldn't surprise me if they tend to just stand pat here. Now, why this is important is, again, this talks about this July 2023 high of 93 cents being in play if the SEC finalizes this case and decides not to appeal. There is significant upside potential when it comes to XRP here. Again, approaching its trends, fighting its short-term breakout point, right? Any of these price points above here are in play, especially as the overall market is continuing to improve. We're seeing BTC pick up. We're seeing overall sentiment improve. We have the Jackson Hole meeting taking place this month, or not this month, this week. Later this week, going to have some insight from Jerome Powell as to what we may in fact see in September. This is kind of the perfect storm of positive events, not just for XRP, but for the overall crypto market. Basically, we have this perfect setup for this next leg in crypto. And if anybody remembers, alt season is huge for coins like XRP. XRP hasn't been able to participate in a full alt season in a very long time because this case has been hanging over its head. So I'm excited to see what's going to come here. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Is this rally going to continue? Are we going to see similar trends where supply is being removed from exchanges? But I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.